The moon is like Earth's friend in the sky. It is a big round rock that orbits around our planet. It is a very essential part of life here on Earth. But did you know that it is slowly drifting away from us? What is the reason behind it? Why is it happening? And are we nearing the point where there will be no moon in the sky? Let's find out all the answers in today's video. Is the moon slowly drifting away from Earth? Do you know how the moon was formed? It is theorized that millions of years ago, when the solar system was forming, a Mars-sized object came charging towards the Earth and crashed into it. This resulted in a huge part of Earth separating from itself. Some of this debris from the collision went back and stuck to the Earth due to its gravity. But the other part eventually clumped together and formed the early moon. And students, that's how the moon was created. So according to this theory, the moon is indeed a part of Earth. Remember, the Earth exerts gravitational pull on the moon, which is the reason why it orbits the Earth. But the moon also has a gravitational pull on Earth. The moon's gravity helps stabilize Earth's axis, influencing the changing seasons, as it acts as a training wheel for our planet while it orbits the sun. As it goes around the Earth, it doesn't move in a perfect circle. It's more like an oval or egg shape. So, sometimes the moon is a bit closer to us and sometimes a bit farther away. When it's closer, its gravity makes the oceans do something cool. It pulls the water, making high tides. You may have seen some warnings around the ocean about this, have you? Now, these high tides in turn make a bulge around the Earth, just like this, which is called the tidal bulge. Now, here's the tricky part. Because the moon doesn't go in a perfect circle, when it's closer, it moves a little faster than it should. This creates a tug of war between the gravitational balance of the Earth and moon. As the moon pulls on the ocean, the tidal bulge created also pulls onto the moon, creating a pressure on it. Now, as the Earth is spinning, these tidal bulges sit a little ahead of the moon. And when something spins, it makes a push outward. To understand this extra push, let's take a simple example. Imagine this phenomenon is just like being on a merry-go-round. When the merry-go-round spins faster, you feel like you're pushed out more, right? Similarly, when the moon speeds up, it's like it's getting an extra push from that spinning energy. And this extra push from the tidal bulge makes the moon move a little further away from us. But now, imagine if the moon did decide to wander away from us, what will Earth experience? Initially, wave goodbye to total solar eclipses. Because when the moon will eventually move further away, it will be unable to completely block the entire sun. This drift could impact seasons and have a big effect on the oceans. And if you want to learn more about this, take a look at our previous video, What would our Earth be like if there was no moon? But don't you worry, all of this is happening very slowly at a rate of 3.8 centimeter per year. It is the same rate at which your nails grow throughout the year. So fascinating, isn't it?